Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see prices in Pandabuy. I'm also gonna talk about how you can estimate international shipping fee. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's look for the item that we want to buy. So for example, this hat right here, just click on it. Then here, we can see how much the item is. It's 6.50 yuan and shipping fee is 3 yuan. Now, to estimate international shipping, let's first click on Variations. Then let's add the product to cart. Then go to your cart, tick the product, and click on Estimator. Then select the category of the item. So this is a hat, so I'm just gonna click on Accessories, then Hats. Then just click Confirm. For this reminder, let's just click on OK. Then click on the item or select all. Then click on Inquire. So here, as you can see, you will be able to see different shipping prices as well as the length of the estimated shipping time. So just choose whichever you think fits to your budget. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on the next one.